Right now, there's a guy standing in the Home Depot tool aisle looking at a wall of cordless drill kits. 6 brands, 4 price points, and 3 of those brands are made by the exact same company. The employees stocking that shelf know which ones they'd take home and which ones they'd let sit there until clearance. And they're not telling you. They watch the same tools come back to the return desk week after week. They hear contractors swearing at the same models every morning in the pro desk line. And they know which warranty is worth the paper it's printed on, and which one is designed to expire before you ever need it. By the end of this video, you'll know the 5 brands to avoid, the 5 that earned your money, and the corporate ownership trick that explains why half the aisle feels cheaper than it used to. Number 5 on the refuse list. HDX, Home Depot's house brand. If you've ever picked up an HDX power tool and thought it felt like a toy, that's because it basically is. The reviews on Home Depot's own website tell the story. Spray paint that turns to powder when you touch it. Hand tools that snap on the third use. Power tools with plastic gearing that strips under any real load. HDX storage bins are fine. That is the ceiling. Number 4. Ryobi. Before the comments light up, Ryobi is a perfectly fine brand for the weekend homeowner who hangs shelves and trims hedges twice a year. But employees who work around tools 40 hours a week will not run Ryobi on a job. The older nickel-cadmium batteries were notorious for dying within a few years, leaving you with a $200 paperweight. Ryobi is the entry point in a system designed to graduate you to something better. The employees just skip to graduation. Number 3. And this is the one that catches people. Ridgid NEXT stationary tools. The table saws, the miter saws, the planers with Ridgid stamped across the front. Customers see the Ridgid name and assume they're getting the lifetime service agreement. They're not. The next line is manufactured by Delta, not by TTI, the company that makes Ridgid's cordless power tools. TTI confirmed it directly. The next tools come with a 5-year limited warranty only. That Ridgid table saw that looked like a lifetime investment is on a 5-year clock, and the guys in the orange aprons know it. Number 2. Standalone Ridgid batteries purchased outside of a kit. An HD rental repair technician who processes these warranties daily confirmed that standalone batteries have historically not qualified for the lifetime service agreement. Reconditioned tools, stamped Recon, never qualify either. A Ridgid combo kit with the LSA gives you covered batteries for life. A standalone battery gives you a receipt and a prayer. Number 1 on the refuse list. Special buy combo kits with stripped-down batteries. This is the shell game the big box stores perfected. The drill in a Home Depot exclusive kit and the drill at a supply house can carry the exact same model number, identical tool. But the kit is different. Home Depot's version ships with 1.5 amp-hour batteries. The supply house version, at the same price, ships with 4 amp-hour packs. That's the difference between a battery that dies halfway through a deck project and one that runs all afternoon. Employees flip the box over and check the amp-hour rating before anything else. Now pause on the corporate math. Milwaukee, Ryobi, and Ridgid power tools are all manufactured by TTI, Tektronix Industries. Same parent company, 3 price tiers, 3 logos. The entire tool aisle is designed to graduate you from Ryobi to Ridgid to Milwaukee, while keeping your money inside the same corporate family. If you've made it this far, subscribe. We do this every single week, and the list does not get shorter. If you're watching this in the aisle right now and you're realizing you don't trust a single box on that shelf, I built something for that. It's called the No BS Buyer's Vault. Every model ranked by the specs that actually matter, not the branding. Scan the QR code on screen, or check the link in the description and pinned comment. That's the refuse list. The point was never to leave you with nothing to buy. The point was to arm you with information they weren't going to volunteer. Here are the 5 tools that actually earned a spot in an employee's garage. Number 5 on the buy list. DeWalt track saws and miter saws. Even employees who don't run DeWalt for anything else will buy a DeWalt saw. The DWS 779 sliding compound miter saw and the DCS 520 track saw show up in pro setups constantly. One caveat. A former HD tool rental supervisor said on the record that DeWalt's warranty repair process is the most painful of any brand they carried. Buy the saw, baby it, and hope you never need the warranty. Number 4. Ridgid wet-dry shop vacuums. These are the job site standard for a reason. Built heavier than the DeWalt and Craftsman equivalents, and they take abuse that would kill a big box shop vac in a season. The one warning is to buy a current generation model so replacement parts actually exist when you need them 5 years from now. Number 3. Milwaukee M18 and M12 fuel tools. This is where employees go when they're serious. The M18 fuel drill impact combo kits, the M12 subcompacts for tight spaces, and the pack-out modular storage system that basically replaced DeWalt's Tough system in every trade van in America. Milwaukee's warranty doesn't require registration. 5 years on the tool, 3 on the battery, no receipt gauntlet. That simplicity is half the reason employees prefer it. Number 2. Husky lifetime warranty hand tools. Wrenches, ratchets, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers. Specifically the mechanical hand tools, not Husky power tools, not Husky jacks. The warranty is completely different between those categories. Husky hand tools carry a true, no questions asked lifetime replacement. No receipt required. Walk in with a broken ratchet. Walk out with a new one in 5 minutes. A guy on the Garage Journal forums brought in 12-year-old diagonal cutters with a busted pivot and no proof of purchase. Swapped without a second look. That is the warranty Sears used to honor on Craftsman before the brand collapsed. Print the warranty page on your phone before you go, because half the employees at the counter don't even know their own policy. And number 1. The single most insider purchase at Home Depot, Ridgid cordless power tool kits registered under the Lifetime Service Agreement. Not bare tools, not standalone batteries, kits. The LSA covers parts, service, and batteries for life. One owner reported getting 6 batteries replaced over several years with nothing more than a phone call and a 2-day wait. Another had a Sawzall motor fail 3 years in and got a brand new unit at 0 cost. The catch is registration. You have 90 days from purchase, and less than a quarter of buyers complete it successfully. The overnight data upload from Home Depot to Ridgid's system fails constantly, and Ridgid's customer service is buried. Employees know the workaround, register the same day you buy it, screenshot every confirmation, and if it doesn't go through in 3 attempts, return the kit and buy a new one. The LSA is the best warranty in the tool aisle. But only if you actually get enrolled. The pattern is simple. Employees buy the lifetime warranties they can actually claim, and the kits with full capacity batteries. They skip anything where the warranty is theoretical, and anything Delta built wearing a Ridgid badge. You now know something that most guys standing in that tool aisle don't. Next time you walk into Home Depot, flip the box over, check the amp hours. And if the word Ridgid is on a stationary tool, ask who actually made it. YouTube thinks you'll like one of these 2 videos, and based on the fact that you watched this entire thing, they're probably right. Click 1, and if you made it to the end, subscribe. Because next week's list is going to make this one look like a warm-up.